Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package with a Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1969 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. Aluminum cylinder heads are on there. You have the Moroso rear sump oil pan. Customer's running aftermarket suspension, so we have the proper rear sump oil pan, chrome dipstick and tube. Gas filters on there, all the loop clamps, heavy duty Russell fuel line, oil pressure extension for easy hookups. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with 427 badges. Cobra air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold. We're running the Holley Sniper fuel injection on here. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. I'll set up the menu screen on the Holley Sniper fuel injection. It'll be all done for you. Plug and play, ready to go. I'll set the timing. Ready to go. We have the standard flywheel, Ford Racing, American made, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford and the customer's 69 Mustang. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell, PCV valve on there. We have the Raptor pulley kit on here, AC compressor, proper thermostat housing for the 69 Mustang, lower hose on the passenger side, correct for the 69 Mustang, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp, one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it. Again, our 427 Ford Holley Sniper fuel injection engine ready to go for a 69 Mustang. All set. Thanks for watching.